Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll show you how to change the admin email in WordPress website. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is my website, which is still under construction. So log into your WordPress dashboard by going to your website /WP admin. And once you log in, just go to settings and select general. And in general, you will see all these settings. Scroll down and you will see administrator email address. So this is the email address that is used for admin purposes, and you will receive all the SMTP connections, emails, and this is basically the email of the admin of this website. So if you want to change this, you can change this, and after you change, don't forget to click on Save Changes. And that's it. Once you click on Save Changes, your settings will be saved and you can use that email for all the administration. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.